won't be using anything for the dry taste test. We're just seeing how it tastes first.
This one right here, kind of a little bit salty. It's not sweet at all. It had a little bit sweet taste to it, but it's not that sweet. So I like this one.
And now for the syrup on it. It won't do much of a difference, but make it sweet at least. And now for the grape syrup taste test.
The taste is good.
Syrup on is good. And now for the Welch's grape. Or we won't be using that currently because we don't want to. Now for the second one.
We'll put it in the same plate.
Here is the dry taste test. What is your results? For the buttermilk one.
Yeah. Both of them taste good.
Yes, but what is your...
I prefer this one right here.
Well, you can't decide that without the syrup.
I mean, if you don't like sugar, this one is good. For me, I don't like too much of sweet. So yeah, I prefer this one. But the one got a little bit more sweet taste to it. More than that one over there. With this one with the syrup on it, for me, it's kind of sweet.
And
So,
now
yeah.
for the final results. Which one do you prefer better?
I prefer this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now for me. Let's see. First we'll begin with the dry taste test for the Health Smart one. I'm just going to have to take a little bit of the dry part off. Honestly, not too sweet, not too salty for me.
It's not even salty. It's just the salt is perfect.
It's plain. Perfect. Now for the one with the syrup on it.
Oh,
Let's get some of the syrup. Once again, the syrup, the sugar on the syrup provides a balance for the non-salty but sweet part. And now for the buttermilk pancakes. Well, this one I felt some salt in it. And some, yeah, just salt. Yes, there is salt in it. I can feel some sugar in it too. Good. And now for the syrup. Good mixture of salty and sweet. I prefer both of them. I don't really have a answer, but overall, since I'm a guy that likes sweets, I would go with this.
yeah.
The buttermilk pancakes are my choice. But overall, this is just our opinion. If you have a different opinion, then that's yours. This is just ours, so.
But I mean, it still tastes good. It's still good. But if you don't like sweet,
Then
for
you
me, the
prefer-
syrup is sweet by itself, and then the pancake is sweet, too much sugar. So if you don't like sugar, then this one is yours.
So with
Do
no
it again.
sugar, for people who don't like sugar that much, we prefer that you have the Heart Smart Bisquick pancake and baking mix. For people who like sugar or just do all that stuff like me, we prefer the buttermilk baking pancake and mix. Well, that is all for today. We'll see you next time on
Georgia
Cuisine.
Cuisine. Hope you enjoy.
See you next time.